Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation, episode number 51. And the topic for today is 3 traits for success. Recently, I was listening to the podcast of Alex Hermosa, and he was talking about the key important things for success, which I can resonate. And those 3 things are ambition, focus, and patience. See, the dictionary says the definition for ambition, according to the dictionary, is a strong desire to do or achieve something. If you see the successful people, they have that strong desire to achieve something, and that's why they are reaching that success. Followed by the focus. What do you mean by focus? Is they are able to disregard all other things and focus on that one ambition, and they put all their energy and effort for that particular ambition. They're very focused on that. And the third thing is, most important thing is, they have the patience. Friends, I see many people who are having ambition and focus, but finally they drop their focus and move away from their ambition because they didn't have enough patience. So success comes to those people who have all these 3 things: ambitions, focus, and patience. This was a great learning for me, and I thought I will share this with you as well in this week Monday Morning Motivation. So let's have that ambition with clear focus and have a patience till we achieve that and enjoy our life. Thank you and see you soon.